Next topic is finding the increase or decrease percent. See, we need to know the increase or decrease in a certain quantity as percentage. We have to express the increase or decrease in terms of a percentage. So, how we can express it? Now, we can consider the example. Marks in a test increased from 20 to 30. Find the percentage increase. You have to find out the percentage increase, or the increase percent you have to find out. How can you find out the increase percent? So, increase percent is equal to increase divided by original value, increase divided by original value. So, original value means the base into 100, and after that attach the symbol. Increase divided by original value into 100. Now, to find out the increase percent. So, the marks increased from 20 to 30. So, there is an increment of how much marks? 10 marks increment. So, the increase is, there is an increase of 10 marks, 30 minus 20. So, 30 minus 20, which is equal to 10. 10 divided by original value. Original value means from which the increment has occurred. So, initially the mark is 20, from 20 to the change occurred, and the new mark is 30. So, 20 is the base. So, 10 by 20 into 100. Then put the percentage symbol. So, 10 into 100 by 20. So, 10 into 100, that is 10 into 100 by 20. 20 and 100 you can cancel with the 25. So, 10 into 5, that is 50. So, there is an increase of 50%. So, 50% increment in the marks. So, we can find out the increase percent. Increase divided by original value. How much it is increased? You have to find out. So, 30 minus 20. So, 10 marks, there is an increment of 10 marks, or there is an increase of 10 marks. 10 divided by the original value. So, from 20 the increment has occurred. So, 20 is the base. 10 by 20 into 100, then attach the percentage symbol. Now, another example. Price of a shirt decreased from rupees 280 to rupees 210. Find the percentage decrease. So, here you have to find out the decrease percent. Decrease percent. So, decrease percent is equal to decrease divided by original value. Decrease divided by original value into 100, and put the percentage symbol. Now, how much decrease occurred? So, initially the amount is 280, now it is changed to 210. So, there is a decrease of how much? 280 minus 210. So, you can see that there is a decrease of 70 rupees. So, the decrease is equal to 70. So, 70 divided by original value. From 280 the decrease occurred. From 280 the price is lowered. Therefore, the original value is 280. So, 70 divided by 280 into 100. So, which is equal to 70 into 100 by 280. So, 70 and 280 you can cancel using 70. So, 1 time, here it is 4 times. 7 4s are 28. Okay. So, 100 and 4 we can cancel using 4. 1, here it is 25. So, what is the percentage decrease? 25% decrease in the price. 25% decrease. So, in order to find out the decrease percent, decrease divided by original value into 100%. So, you have to find out the change and divided by the original value into 100. So, increase percent or percentage increase, increase divided by original value. So, that will be the base into 100 and attach the percentage symbol. Similarly, decrease percent or percentage decrease, equal to decrease divided by the original value into 100. So, you can find out the percentage increase and percentage decrease. Now, suppose the percentage increase and decrease are given, how can you find out the other value? Now, look at that. One example. The price of a scooter was rupees 40,000 last year. So, the last year's price is rupees 40,000. It has increased by 20% this year. So, there is an increment in the price. There is an increase in the price. 20% increase in the price. So, compared to the last year, 20% increase. What is the price now? You have to find out the present price. Now, the price of the scooter, what is the price of the scooter last year? Price of the scooter, which is equal to rupees 40,000. Price of the scooter. Now, what is the increase percent? Increase percent is 20% increase. So, 20% of last year's price. So, the increment occurred. So, you have to find out how much amount occurred in the increase. So, you have to find out the increased amount. You have to find out. So, increased amount. How can you find out the increased amount? So, the increased amount will be equal to the 20% of 40,000. The increased amount will be equal to 20% of 40,000. So, we have to find out the 20% of 40,000. So, 20 by 100 into 40,000. So, we can cancel 100 and this 40,000, you will get to 400. So, 20 into 400, 20 into 400, so which is equal to 8,000. So, there is an increase of rupees 80,000. So, last year's price is 40,000 and a 20% increase occurred. So, what will be the new price? So, the new price is equal to original price or last year's price. So, the original price plus increase. So, you have to find out the increase. So, the increase is 20% of 40,000. So, original price is rupees 40,000, then plus rupees, the increase is rupees 8,000. 8,000 increase. So, the new price is rupees 48,000. The new price is 48,000. So, the price increased from 40,000 to 48,000. So, you can find out the percentage increase, that we have already did the problems in that way. So, the price increased from 40,000 to 48,000, we can find out the increase percent. So, when you find out the increase percent, you will get the answer as 20%. Now, we can do this problem using the unitary method also. So, here I will show the steps of unitary method. So, those who want, they can follow that steps, or otherwise in the previous way you can do it. So, here the percentage is given. So, what is the percentage given? 20% increase. So, what is meant by 20% increase means there is an increment of 20% means suppose the price was rupees 100. Okay, so the initial price was rupees 100 or last year's price rupees 100. So, increase percent 20% means there is an increase of rupees 20. There is an increase of rupees 20. Therefore, the new price will be 100 plus 20, which is equal to 120. So, if 100 is the original price, last year's price, and 20% increment occurred, so which means that there is an increase of 20 rupees and the new price will be rupees 120. And here, so if 100 is the last year's price, then the new price is rupees 120. So, if rupees 1, unitary method, we want to find out the value of 1 unit, we have to find out. So, if rupees 1 is the last year's price, then the new price will be 120 by 100. So if rupees 40,000 is last year's price, the new price will be 120 divided by 100 into 40,000. So 120 into 40,000 divided by 100. So we can cancel with 100. So here you will get 400. So 120 into 400. So the answer is 12 fours are 48 and 48,000. Here we will get the new price. So the new price is rupees 48,000. So if you want to find out the increased amount, how can you find out the increased amount? This is the new price 48,000 and the last year's price was 40,000. So 48,000 minus 40,000, you will get the increased amount. So 48,000 is the new price and 40,000 is the last year's price. So if you find out the difference between them, you will get the increased amount, that is 8,000. So in the first method, first we will find out the increased amount and after that we will find out the new price. So here we will get the increased, that means the new price we will get it, and after that only we can find out the amount increase, how much amount, the increment occurred, how much amount, that we can find out. So this is the unitary method. Unitary method, initially what you have to take, for 100 rupee 20% increment means the new price will be 120. Then after that we have to find out the unit quantity we have to find out, and after that we can find out the new price. So most of the percentage problems we can apply the unitary method also. Now another one. If the price of a scooter was rupees 50,000 last year, so last year's price rupees 50,000. Last year's price equal to rupees 50,000. Now it has decreased by 10%. So there is a decrease occurred and the decreased percent is equal to 10%. So can you find out the decreased amount? So can you find out the decrease? Yes. So how can you find out the decrease? 10% of 50,000. So the decrease will be equal to 10%. Decrease will be equal to 10% of 50,000. So you can find out 10% of 50,000, that is 10 by 100 into 50,000. 100 and 50,000 you can cancel, so you will get to 500. So 10 into 500, which is equal to 5,000. So the decrease is rupees 5,000. Now you have to find out what is the price now. So you have to find out the new price. So what about the new price if the decrease occurred, whether it will be more than the last year's price or less than the last year's price? Because here a decrease occurred, so it will be less than the last year's price. So new price is equal to original price. Original price means the last year's price. So original price means the decrease. A reduction occurred. Okay, so original price means the decrease. So the decrease is 5,000. Therefore rupees 50,000 minus rupees 5,000. So what will be the new price? The new price will be rupees 45,000. So this problem also you can apply the unitary method and you can find out. Otherwise, if you are not applying the unitary method, you can follow this method. Last year's price it is given, decrease percentage is given, you can find out the decrease. So the decrease we have to calculate on last year's price. So 10% of 50,000, and after that you can find out the original price. You can find out the new price. So the new price will be lesser than the original price because here is a decrease. So the new price is equal to original price minus decrease. So we can find out the answer. So that's all for today's topic. Thank you.